So today we have to deep grind this side of the property. Small area, but it's really wet and it's full with stumps and root system. We're using forestry rotor head on Coneteks 2.13M, and if it will be possible, we will level and settle as well. So you just go over everything. As you can see up here, it's a lot drier, but down there it's real muddy. So we'll see if we will be able to level and settle this afterwards. So everything is deep grinded. Try to level and settle, see how it goes. It is really wet, so it's sticking to the roll, but I don't know any other attachment that you can level and settle or even out anything in this kind of muddy conditions. So So he's leveling and settling the low side first because it's really muddy. You have to go over a few times. Everything is sticking to the roll, but we can manage. We'll probably not seed today as it will leave tracks and all that, or seed by hand because it's so wet. So we did manage to level and settle everything. We'll not seed the grass seed today, it's too wet. So on the other side of the property, we took out some trees, so there are stumps left, same size of these trees. We have to deep grind this, level and settle and seed it as well. So just a small area as well, but a lot of obstacles, I mean trees that you have to go around when you level and settle and deep grind and seed. Dragging on the bobcat. That's how deep we go. And you leave awesome soil behind all this mess. Root system, stumps, some grass. So all the root system and stumps are crushed and grinded into the soil. There are some smaller stumps as well. Some bigger stumps. And we go deep. One stump gone. When there's a bigger stump, you just lift up and go layer by layer, and it's still fast, and then you go deep and grind all the root system as well. So we have started leveling and settling process in the forest part. Leveling and settling in action. Basically what you get after deep grind and leveling and settling is perfect surface for sowing grass seed. Even in forest land where there was a lot of stumps, root system, you just go over, level and settle everything, even everything out, roll it up, prepared for sowing grass seed. So almost everything is leveled and settled. The leveling and settling part is quite fast. And this is uneven, stumpy forest land that's become of something beautiful. We'll seed it. The grass will grow as well quite fast here. So everything even, leveled and settled, prepared for sowing grass seed. So almost everything is seeded. That will be it for today's video. If you like the content, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.